The police have identified a body that was found on John Roads on Friday. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Even as the government declared a state of emergency in St. Catherine, police authorities discovered a body at 115 John Road in the war-torn Spanish Town area on Friday. The police have identified a man whose body was discovered at a car wash on John's Road in Spanish Town by residents on Friday morning. He has been identified as 30-year-old Ryan Daly of a Bogwalk address. Daly's body was found with multiple gunshot wounds covered under palm tree branches. This comes on the heels of an active gang feud in the parish and follows several similar discoveries this week. Head of the Police Corporate Communications Unit, Ms. Stephanie Lindsay, says that the police have already launched an investigation into the matter. She is reminding residents to cooperate with the police to help restore peace and order in these communities. The police believe that the killing was done elsewhere and the body dumped at the car wash. Meanwhile, the state of emergency declared in the areas is expected to reduce future crimes such as these. In fact, the police have confirmed that a person of interest has been detained in Gregory Park since the imposition of the state of emergency on Friday morning. The police have seen a flare-up of violence in recent days in the Spanish Town area, with a number of people losing their lives.
After careful consideration and review of the current crime situation, His Excellency, the Governor-General, has declared a state of public emergency for the parish of St. Catherine. I decided to advise the Governor-General to make such a declaration on the recommendation of the Chief of Defense Staff and the Commissioner of Police. I grew up in Spanish Town. I grew up in the heart of Spanish Town. And it is not a place that we want to in any way get out of control. It has the potential, if it is not dealt with strongly and firmly and immediately, to claim many more lives. The level of organized criminal activity there is a national emergency. The social ethic of Jamaica needs to change to match the irresponsible ethic of those who seek to destroy our society. If you make bad decisions, you must face the consequences. So, I speak this way because I need to communicate to the Jamaicans who are very frustrated, who cannot understand why is it that the government doesn't respond. We can't respond because every move we make, there is some legal argument or some political argument being made about the preservation of rights. The rights of who? It is never a debate about the rights of the victims, those people who suffer, those people who are killed, those people who are injured in accidents. It is never a debate about those who have lost loved ones. What about their rights too? But we pay attention. Justice must be blind, but it cannot be deaf. It has to hear the cries of the victims, the people who are suffering. And I can understand that there must be defense of our democracy and our rights. And I can understand, and indeed I am the first defender of that, that we cannot allow an emergency or a disaster to change the liberal nature of our democracy. There's no greater Democrat than myself. But disorder will lead to anarchy. And where we are now with the average person in Jamaica is that if they can't get law, they will settle for order. So those who believe that they're very eloquent pronouncements about rights are finding favor with the masses of the people. What they are doing is increasingly alienating the people from the system of justice and law enforcement. I do not have the luxury to be dithering on these matters anymore. We have to act on it. And we have to act to protect the innocent, law-abiding citizens.
The police have vowed to maintain a strong presence in the St. Catherine area until the violence has ceased. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.
Links TV. Entertainment with a difference. Subscribe now to Links TV.